Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to log out Snapchat account. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. So the first step, I open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see the option to log out. So go ahead and tap log out, and then tap log out one more time to confirm your action. And now you've been logged out of Snapchat, but your profile will still be there, so you can tap on the login button at the bottom center to simply log back into your account. If you don't want your account to be there, just tap remove account and then tap yes. And now you will be logged out of your Snapchat account, and the account will be removed from the Snapchat app on your phone. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.